Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ready-mix upma. First, ensure you have your ready-mix packet, water, and a cooking vessel. This simple dish is perfect for busy mornings or a quick, satisfying snack. It takes only a few minutes to prepare, offering a warm and flavorful meal without extensive effort. We will cover everything from preparation to serving, making it easy for anyone to enjoy. To begin, gather your essential items. You will need one standard packet of ready-mix upma, which usually weighs around 180 grams. Also, have about 1 3/4 cups of water measured out. A non-stick saucepan or a kadai works best for cooking, along with a sturdy spoon for stirring. These simple tools and ingredients are all you need for a perfect upma. Now let's cook. First, heat about 1 teaspoon of oil or ghee in your saucepan over a medium flame. Once warm, empty the entire ready-mix upma packet into the pan and stir it gently for about 1 minute. Next, carefully pour in the measured water, stirring continuously to avoid any lumps forming. Reduce the flame to low and cook for 3 to 5 minutes until all the water is absorbed and the upma is fluffy. Your delicious ready-mix upma is now ready to be served. Garnish it with some freshly chopped coriander leaves for a touch of freshness. For an extra zing, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice works wonderfully. You can also stir in an additional teaspoon of ghee just before serving for a richer taste. Enjoy this quick, flavorful, and satisfying meal anytime you desire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.